Voila! Hi guys, welcome back to the Indonesian student channel, Python course part 2. So if you haven't seen our first video about introduction to Python, please watch it so you can follow up things I'm about to tell you. I'll put link in the description. Yeah. So in this video, we're going to be learning about variables in Python, how to print it so it will show information or the output of your code to the user. After all, the programming is mainly about getting data from user and distributing it after some processing. Therefore, being able to show the user some data is an important part of the coding. So yeah, let's begin by defining a variable. I will say age equal to 35. This is how you define variable in Python and give it a value. So first state the variable name, then an equal sign, and then the value that you want to give it. If you want to print an age, all you have to do is say print and then inside brackets and then variable name that you want to print out. Here we created variable age and given it the value of 35, and then we're going to print it out and show it to the user. All our Python programs are going to be dealing with text, so they are going to receive text from the user and they are going to show the user the text. If we run this program, you will see that 35 gets printed out because that is what our program does. Because age was a name and for the value 35, you can just use the value 35 directly, and this will always be the case. Here, I simply delete the variable age and put value 35 directly. So instead of variable, you can always use the value that variable refers to. However, there is a key benefit of having variables, which is that if you define an age variable to be 35, then you print it out, then you can change the value and then print it out. If we run this, then you will see that 35 gets printed out first, as we do in line 2, and then 20 gets printed out after. So this is how variables work in Python. Okay, if you want a longer variable name, for example something like house number, usually in Python you will use the underscore character to separate different words. Just to inform, in Python we could not use or put any special symbols like, let's say, $sign or dashes as our variable name. In addition, variable names cannot start with a number. So this type of separation is called snake case. Snake. So one thing that's worth to be remembered, so that it is for this video, and this is how you create variables and give them values. So thank you for your attention. I hope this lecture helped, and then I'll see you in the next video. Bye.